following video is sponsored by AweSun, an all-new remote desktop software that enables you to connect your work computer from your laptop or mobile devices anytime, anywhere. So you can technically control your office PC from home, as well as play your most favorite PC games on your mobile devices. And in addition, has a remote access / support mobile devices on the go. Fast, free, and simple, so be sure to check out their link down below. So let's go ahead and get started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at StrikePros. That is right, this here is the most awesome laser tag system we've ever reviewed, in which it features a full-blown on-target system, meaning you have a live stream capability where you can go ahead and mount your phone onto your gun, and you can go ahead and live stream on Twitch, including a built-in LED light, laser, as well as a pack that you wear on your chest, so when you fire at an enemy, it'll actually pop off, showcasing that you hit the target. Now it also has live feedback, so when you fire the gun, you'll actually feel it vibrate or essentially make a popping sound that you'll have to actually go ahead and reload at the end. Now it sounds like a lot, and it really is a lot, but it is literally the most realist thing that you can get to laser tag in a sense of firing and a real life mechanism. So I'm really excited to see exactly what this is about. Now if you guys want your very own, check out their link down below in the description. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the box that they sent us. You get this like cool looking briefcase. Got this handle on the top, and you have these locks right over here, just like that. And inside here, whoa, check it out. So this is awesome. So you have your gun, you have your ammo, you have your phone mount, you have your laser targeting system, you have a flashlight, you have your chest piece, extra pieces for the chest, and straps. Looks like we have a little screwdriver, batteries for our two different systems. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. Oh. Check this out, guys. This is really crazy stuff. I mean, you can see that this is a really well built gun. Now it's actually got a good amount of weight. The back part of it is rubber, so when you go ahead and pressing it against your shoulder just like this, it'll actually give it a nice cushiony feel. On the top here, it's almost got like this like metal like finish. You have a strap here you can go ahead and mount onto your shoulder, so you can go ahead and run with it. You have a built-in LED screen right over here. So this will go ahead and showcase the Bluetooth as well as the battery life. Our charging port is right here on the top. And then you have your semi-automatic and automatic feature right over here. You have your on-off button just like that. And then you have your loading just like that. And then your trigger right over here. Now, other than that, I mean, you can see that it looks pretty cool for what it is. But let's go ahead and set this guy up. So this here obviously is our gun, but when we kind of look about, we have a few different features. So this is going to be our phone mount. So you can go ahead and put your phone on here, and then you can live stream it on Twitch. This will go ahead and mount on either side based on if you're righty or lefty, just like this. And then this here is going to be our, look at that. Wow, so there's like a cross here. It's got a built-in LED or laser. So you can actually go ahead and get that nice line right there. So we're gonna go ahead and use our battery pack. So we get ourselves 4 little batteries, or 5 batteries, and this is all included, of course. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here. Okay, so then over here you have your switch. So you just press the switch right here, and you'll see that there's a laser. So you have your laser right over there, and then you have this almost like a screw here. So you just go ahead and tighten this. So go ahead and increase or decrease the angle based on our liking, and then from there, let's go ahead and slide it in place. And yeah, sweet. So that is that. And now as we kind of move on, we have our flashlight. So we'll go ahead and open this up here. So this includes 2 different lights. We have a green light and we have our white light. So this will essentially indicate like a night vision kind of feel. So you can always go ahead and use that and kind of give it a cool looking glow feel. And then there's a button right here. You see that? So you just press that, and then you go ahead and base it off of that. This will go ahead and slide on the bottom just like this. There you go. Now, so far we're getting there, but you can see that we're still working on it. Now, last piece of the puzzle, well, before that, is actually going to be our strap. So this here is going to be like our shoulder strap, so you can go ahead and mount it on just like this. And then you have a buckle, which will kind of clip into place, and you can go ahead and hold it like that. So you can go run around with it, bring it up, and then fire based about. Now, the last piece of the puzzle is our ammo. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and place it in just like this. It'll kind of clip in place, just like that. And you can see that it's still not firing, right? But if I press the trigger back, like that. So that is pretty crazy. You see the LED will go off in the front? That's pretty cool stuff. Now, once you're out of ammo, just like how we are right now, if you try loading it, nothing's gonna happen. You have to press this button right over here and take out the old ammo and then put it back in, just like that, and bring it back. And now you also have the semi-automatic, or the automatic, sorry, that's the automatic. And you have the semi-automatic, or the single shot. All out, load it up, trigger. Now moving on to our chest piece. You have a power button right over here, so just go ahead and press that once. It'll go ahead and turn on, blue LEDs. Again, you have your Bluetooth number coordinating with the actual gun, and as well as the battery life. And you have your 3 different panels. These panels will go ahead and pop off if they get shot at. Again, it's all laser targeted system. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put this over our head, just like this, like that. We're gonna bring it back around our back, bring it up, lock it in place, and we're ready to fight. All right, so for demo purposes, we're gonna go ahead and try shooting AweSun right over here. I just put on one of the packs on him and kind of see what happens. So we're gonna go ahead and load it up. Just gonna take off our ammo. Load, lock, and loaded. All right, let's try this guy out. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot at it from here. Sweet. Well, there you guys have it. This here is StrikePros. Definitely a really fun laser tag system, especially if you're in the market for one. These here are really high tech. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.